Hello and welcome to this exciting video about how 100 push-ups every day can completely transform your body. Push-ups are one of the simplest yet most effective exercises for building strength and improving your overall fitness. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this exercise can be adapted to meet your needs and goals. So let's get started. As you can see, push-ups are a bodyweight exercise that engage multiple muscle groups, including the chest, triceps, shoulders, and core. Doing just 100 push-ups a day can have a significant impact on your overall fitness and health. According to a recent study, just 6 weeks of performing push-ups every day led to significant improvements in upper body strength, muscle endurance, and core stability. And the best part is, all you need is your own body weight and a little bit of space. There are many different variations of push-ups that you can try to keep things interesting and challenging. For example, you can do traditional push-ups, diamond push-ups, wide grip push-ups, or even one-arm push-ups. The key is to find a variation that works for you and gradually increase the difficulty as you get stronger. But what makes push-ups so special? And why should you include them in your daily routine? Here are just a few of the many benefits of push-ups. Builds upper body strength. Push-ups are a full-body exercise that engage multiple muscle groups, including the chest, triceps, shoulders, and core. Over time, this will lead to increased upper body strength, making everyday tasks like carrying groceries or lifting heavy objects much easier. Improves posture. Push-ups work to strengthen the muscles in your upper back, which helps to improve your posture and reduce strain on your neck and shoulders. Boosts cardiovascular health. By engaging multiple muscle groups and elevating your heart rate, push-ups can help to improve your cardiovascular health and reduce your risk of heart disease. Increases flexibility and mobility. Push-ups require a full range of motion, which helps to increase flexibility and mobility in your shoulders, chest, and triceps. Reduces stress and improves mood. Exercise has been shown to reduce stress and improve mood, and push-ups are no exception. Taking just a few minutes each day to do some push-ups can help to boost your energy level, reduce stress, and improve your overall mood. Now, it's important to remember that proper form is key when it comes to push-ups. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Keep your core engaged. Tightening your core helps to stabilize your body and reduce strain on your lower back. Keep your body in a straight line. Imagine a straight line running from the top of your head to your heels. Make sure that your body stays in this straight line as you perform each push-up. Lower your body slowly. Take your time as you lower your body towards the ground, keeping your core engaged and your body in a straight line. Finally, the key to transforming your body with push-ups is consistency and progress tracking. Start with just a few push-ups each day and gradually increase the number as you get stronger. Keep track of your progress in a journal or on a chart and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Remember, progress is not always linear, and there will be days when you feel stronger or weaker, but the important thing is to stay committed and consistent with your routine. So there you have it. 100 push-ups a day can completely transform your body, improving your strength, posture, cardiovascular health, flexibility, and mood. Give it a try and see for yourself how this simple exercise can have a big impact on your overall health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.